Who's ready to take a look at the awesome May 2018 kit and add-ons from Elle Studio? Here we go. I'm going to open the kit first. I love how these are packaged so neatly all of the time. It makes it so easy to put it back together to store. So here's the first sheet of die cuts. I'm going to give you a closer look at this. So you have the tabs at the top, nice and bright and colorful. A lot of yellows and greens and purples in this one, which I love. I love that lime green color too. I really like that there's a best friends die cut on there. I can think of a lot of different layouts I can create with that. This stripe one and the sunshine, these are probably my favorites in the kit this month, and I had to use those right away. And you can see that on a later process video that I'm sharing with you today. I like this 4" by 6" polka dot too. That one's really fun. So here are the 3" by 4" tags. So you have a cool days of the week one. Morning, afternoon, and evening. I like the meh one, and that red tag is really cool. This mom life is perfect for documenting Mother's Day, and these little arrows are great for cutting out. Let me overthink this. That one's really funny, and this was kind of a big deal. A really great notebook paper, a couple of hearts. And you can see that those match the little die cuts on the die cut sheet. There's that awesome green color again. You'll see this these hearts in the stamp this month. I love that to-do list. Whenever there's multicolored tags, I really love those. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. And this really fun yellow gingham just screams of summer to me. And then the good times. So there are all the 3" by 4" tags. Now let's take a look at the add-ons. These are the Play All Day phrase stickers. I love these. There's so many great phrases on here. Friends having fun, the best place, this is real life, play all day. So this is a great one for if your kids are getting out of school this month. That'll be awesome for those layouts. These tags are an add-on this month. They are the grid and lined journaling tags, and you can get those in a multi-pack in gray, pink, teal, and yellow. So if you only want teal, you can just buy the teal. If you only want pink, you can just buy the pink, or you can buy the multi-pack. So a lot of options there. So these are awesome to have in your stash. Next up, we have craft tags, and this pack is awesome because there are so many different sizes. So there's 5 different sizes in this pack. Really useful, and you can see a couple of the design team members' projects using those this month. This is so awesome. This is the Good Times acrylic, and it's got that awesome mirrored finish, so check that out. This is the Fun wood veneer, or wood veneer fun, however you want that to go. And these are awesome for creating a really big and bold title. I love them, and I use them on one of my projects this month. Next up, we have the Shapes and Dots Gold Puffy Thickers. Sorry, not thickers, stickers. Shapes and Dots Puffy stickers. Those are really cool, and they go really well with the Good Times acrylic. These are the Puffy Heart stickers, the Spring Mix. Really nice, pretty mix of colors there. And then we have the Hello stamp. Look how awesome this is. I love this label that you can fill in the little dashes. I love the heart with the circle around it. The Hello font is really beautiful. So all the yummy details just for you. Weekends are for this. That's pretty perfect. And then you can see that little heart speech bubble there. So be sure to check out the kit this month. It is really gorgeous, perfect for documenting everyday things in pocket pages, on scrapbook layouts, and in your traveler's notebook. Also be sure to check out all of the add-ons this month. In the middle there, I didn't show you the Hazel alphabet stamp. It's really awesome. It's like a typewriter stamp. Be sure to check that out via the link in my video notes. Thank you so much for watching, and happy shopping and creating with your new Elle Studio goodies.